Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern St. Louis County and northeastern Minnesota until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Kenyon, or 18 miles north of Cloquet, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hermantown and Pike Lake near Duluth around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Duluth and City of Rice Lake around 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Proctor and Superior. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Minnesota: Southeast St. Louis and Southwest St. Louis.